Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Pearl Palace by PCPL located on SV Road. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You may also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. This side will lead you to Bandra and this will lead you to Andheri. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 1100 square meters with single tower, ground plus 15 floors with configuration of 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about exact connectivity, this project is located on SV Road, Santa Cruz West with airport at a distance of just 15 minutes, Western Express Highway at a distance of 10 minutes, upcoming metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has all basic amenities which include swimming pool, kids play area, mini pickleball court, banquet hall and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configurations, 3 and 4, with carpet area for 3 BHK is going to be 1331 square feet and 4 BHK is going to be 1677 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Pearl Palace by PCPL located on SV Road. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.